So practice problem 3 has two parts. This should say 3a. Yours will say 3a. So let's see. Angle 1 is 4x. Go ahead and write it in. Angle 6 is 10x minus 30. They want us to find the measure of angle 1. Okay. They want us to figure out what this is. Well, what is the relationship between angle 1 and angle 6? Nothing. So they're supplementary. There's no special relationship there. They're not vertical. They're not corresponding. They're not alternate interior or exterior. Hold on one sec. Okay, so yes, they're supplementary. So that means add them together. 4x plus 10x minus 30 and set them equal to 180. Okay, combine like terms. You'll probably always have like terms when they're supplementary. And you're going to get 14x minus 30 equals 180. Get rid of your constant by doing the opposite. And you have 14x equals what? 210? Then isolate your variable by dividing by 14. I'm going to use a calculator. 210, I think that's going to be 15. X equals 15. That is not the question, okay? Not the question. They're asking us for the measure of angle 1, all right? So I'm going to take my x, and instead of x, I'm going to put a 15 in its place. 4 times 15 is 60 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 equals 60 degrees. That's how I want you to write that answer. There's a second part to this question. Second part, which is say 3b on your packet, now wants to know what's the measure of angle 6. Well, I know this is 4x. I know this is 10x minus 30. And I know that x equals 15 and this equals 60. Just writing what we already figured out. Now they want angle 6. Okay, so here, instead of x, I'm going to put a 15 in its place. And that means multiply. So that's 150 minus 30, which is 120. There was also a much faster way to do that, right? I know that 1 and 6 are supplementary. They have to add up to 180. So you could have simply just subtracted this. You didn't have to do it the long way. But either way, you get to the right answer. I think you've got 2 more practice problems.